Hello everyone, this is Seema from Olive Indrapuram, and today again I am going to show you some winter collection. So let's start for today. This is kurti, this is woolen kurti. In this we have half side with sweat fabric and this side with woolen fabric, that is daffodil, with this printing work on that. And border on the sleeves and neck and on the whole kurti. You can see the border. The price of this kurti is 1935 and the sizes available are L, XL and XXL. Next one is this. This is a gown. This is long gown. You can see the sequence work on the whole one in the middle of this gown and this dori pattern on the sides, so you can loose or tight according to your size. So this is a free size and the price of this gown is 1700, so its size fits up to XL. This is very pretty and very nice fabric with pocket. It's a shimmery one with this patchwork on the neck and this button and patch on the back. The price of this kurti is 1935 and we have size only XXL and XXL in this. This is very nice maroon color kurti with this work on that. So it's a colorful one and these are the sleeves in which already have some colors. Nice fabric. The price of this kurti is 2050 and this is free size kurti and it fits up to XXL. This is dark peach color kurti. You can see the embroidery all over the kurti in the middle. The price of this kurti is 1575 and the size is free, so it fits up to XL. A very nice one. You can see the color combination of grayish blue and dark navy blue. So you can see the embroidery this side and on the front with this button patterns. The price of this kurti is 1935 and it's already a free size kurti and it fits up to XL. Next one is this. This is A-line pattern, very nice. So it's very beautiful one. Fabric is very nice. You can see, and it's paired with this palazzo. This one. The price of this palazzo set is 2475 and it's a free size kurti and fits up to XXL. See, this is a sweat fabric. You can see the shimmer work on the front. This is a dual color shade, beige and this grey, with this bell sleeves pattern. On the back, it's a woolen fabric. You can see, and in front, it's a sweat fabric. So it's paired with this palazzo, black palazzo. The price of this palazzo set is 2510 and it's a free size set. It fits up to XXL. A very beautiful one. This is grey in color with this print all over the kurti. You can see with this button pattern. and it's paired with this palazzo. You can see the palazzo. We have one more color in this. See, mustard yellow color with this button pattern and this printed work. The price of this palazzo set is 2380 and there are 4 sizes: L, XL, XXL and XXL in this. Very nice. This is brown color kurti. You can see with this embroidery on the neck and this button pattern. These are the sleeves with border, and it's paired with this palazzo. It's a printed one. Fabric is very nice. This is warm fabric. The price of this palazzo set is 2295 and the sizes available are XL and XXL. Our very beautiful one. This is the shimmery one. We have some like shimmer pattern in this fabric with this embroidery on the neck, on the sleeves also, and it's paired with this palazzo. You can see a little bit the red one. It's actually a straight palazzo. You can say pant also. The price of this pant set is 2385 and the sizes available are L and XL. Very nice. This is sky blue color, icing blue also you can say, with this glitter pattern and printing work on the kurti and on the sleeves. It's paired with this palazzo. See the bottom of the palazzo. It's very nice. The price of this palazzo set is 2400 and 3 sizes are available: XL, XXL and XXL in this. And this is our last one. This is restocked, so if you want to book fast because there are limited pieces in this. This is blue brown one. This is a one-piece gown in this embroidery. One is this color and the second one is this that I am wearing. So the price of this gown is 2100 and the sizes available are XL, XXL and XXL. Thank you very much for watching this. एंड आपको ऑर्डर करने के लिए एक स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है और जो मेरा नंबर है 7827762904 पर आपको सेंड करना है. अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है ऑर्डर के लिए, लाइक स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लेना आता या फिर फोटो नहीं सेव कर पा रहे हैं या वीडियो में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, तो आप मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली. हम आपको सारी फोटोज प्रोवाइड करेंगे, देन आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. दिल्ली एनसीआर में COD अवेलेबल है, ऑल ओवर द इंडिया शिपिंग अवेलेबल है, सो फ्री है इनफैक्ट. तो आप कैसे भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आप अगर नियर बाय रहते हैं तो आप यहाँ विजिट कर सकते हैं, ट्राई कीजिए एंड बाय कीजिए. आपको हमारी लोकेशन पता ही है. इट्स प्लॉट नंबर 937, नीतिखंड 1, इंदिरापुरम, गाजियाबाद. माई कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज 7827762904. सो आप आइए, विजिट कीजिए. थैंक यू.